this is Kasia, and today I'm going to show you how to make this mask for Ladybug or Marinette. It's in child size, so if you want to make it an adult size, you're going to have to adjust my pattern accordingly. And we're also going to make these ties for her pigtails. So ties and a mask. Okay, let's begin! Okay, so in order to complete the mask, you're going to need a pattern. You can download it. The link to it is right below this video. The pattern is free. You're going to need a scrap piece of red felt, or you can use a one full sheet of 8.5 by 11 of red felt. You're going to need a little piece of scrap black felt, and you will need an elastic that is 1/4 inch wide, it's black, and it's 13 inches long. Once you've cut out your pattern pieces, you can begin cutting your fabric. I'm gonna pin this down. You're gonna cut 2 exact same pieces of the red. I would not recommend doing it at the same time because felt is kind of thick and you want to be exact. Once you've cut out your red mask pieces, you will have to cut out 5 of these circles out of your black felt. Once you have all your pieces cut out, you can begin sewing. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sew these dots on our mask. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to put one here, and it sticks out here. We will cut it off later. I'm going to put 2 like this on the side and 2 here on the bottom. I'm going to use just one pin for each of these. Once I have them all pinned down, I'm going to flip it and I'm going to cut off the excess of the black. So cut this off, and this piece as well. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my machine and I'm gonna sew these pieces on with black thread about 1/8 of an inch from the edge right here. And I'll do it on all 5 circles. Okay, so like I said, the first thing that I'm gonna do is sew the spots on. And I'm gonna do it by going in about 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the spot. Okay, my spots are on. Look how cute it already is. And now it's time to sew our mask together. So we're going to take both our pieces. We're going to put them together. And I'm just going to use one pin in the middle. And line it up real good. And 1 needle on each side. So 3 needles total to pin it together. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around the eye holes. I'm gonna switch my thread to red, and once again I'm gonna go real close to the edge, about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Once I have my eye holes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the mask. I'm going to take the elastic and I'm going to pin it. I'm going to put about 1/2 inch in here. And I'm going to pin it in the middle of one side, just like this. And then I'm going to begin sewing on the other side where the elastic would be. So right to the right of it. And again, I'm going to be about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. And I'm going to go around the mask And then I'm gonna finish right before where the elastic will be going. So I have a little gap right here, and I'll grab this elastic from the other side and I'll put it in about 1/2 inch again, and I'm gonna use the same pin, and I want to make sure it's in the middle, pin it in, and now I'm gonna sew over this little opening. And the last final thing I'm gonna do is on each side where the elastic comes in, I'm gonna put an extra stitch here. It is just to make it a little more sturdy, so if the kids pull it on it real hard or the elastic stretches, it won't come out. Okay, my mask is done, and let's make these cute hairbands real quick. They're super easy. So the last thing we're gonna do today is the hair elastics for Marinette. This is super easy. All you need is 2 red hairbands and 2 pieces of red ribbon that are about 8 inches long, and then you put your ribbon in and you tie it twice, so like a knot. So once and twice, and I like to put it right on top of this place where the elastic is glued together. And there you have it. This is your pigtail bands. I hope you liked this video and enjoy the pieces, and come back and see me soon.